What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I actually had to re-record this because I don't know what happened to my intro, but today, as y'all can already tell, I am tinting my taillights today. I thought I'd just give it a new look, if you want to call it a mod or whatever, but let's go ahead and get into it and show y'all what it look like.
All right, guys, so I'm not using my phone this time. I did switch to the GoPro. I'm not sure how this is gonna look, but hey, we can try it. So here's the product. I already opened it up. It gives you a thank you letter, thank you this and that, like 5 stars. It does give instructions on how to properly wrap everything, which I'm good on. I do need to go out and get an extender, what's it called? Extension cord, use my hair dryer and stuff like that. Here's the actual product. This looks like it's for the inside of the tail light, like the middle part. And yada yada. And I do got the side marker ones. I'm just doing this for now. I am gonna get some new LED ones in the future sometime, but let me go ahead and put this back in. And let me go get that car wash. Well, actually, yeah, no, I gotta go Home Depot first, actually, but yeah. Let's do all that, get the car wash, and then we'll get straight to the video. Okay, y'all, but let's get that cold start really quick before we go. Ready? Here we go. Not bad, not bad. Still gotta get it straight pipe or mid-month completed, but let's go to the snow. All right, y'all, made it to Home Depot. Get that extension cord real quick. Shape out of my baby for now. And ooh, little drip check, you know, just all red Air Forces, red MCM belt, Juice WRLD shirt, you know, something, ain't nothing. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this real quick. Get to washing my car. Okay, you guys, bag received, got the cord. Now let's go get my car washed. Oh, how's my miles per gallon? Nah, bad. All right, let's go. Oh, it's all bad. Tell me why I forgot. Tell me why I forgot my microfiber towels for the car to wash it. Now I gotta go all the way back home and go back to the little car wash thing, whatever the fuck you want to call it. It's okay. Set this gap real quick. Bye bye. Yes, sir. Y'all drive responsibly, okay? We in Mexico, so it's legal. Yeah. Okay, I'ma shut up now. Alright, y'all, we're about to run. I ain't trying to get my forces hurt, so let's go. First wash for my baby. Let's go.
Priceless got that heat.
All right, we back. We got Smokey all clean. She looking good. Now we're on the way home to go put them tints on the taillights, man. Ooh, 11.8 for the gas. Okay, I was pushing it a little bit. Let me see. I'm gonna snitch on myself real quick. Let me. What's my top speed? What's my? Where that? Oh, they honking at me because I'm trying to. Okay, I'll show y'all my top speed in a second. Hold on. Yeah, I got honked at, but that's my top speed. Shh, don't tell nobody. It was in Mexico. I was in Mexico. I couldn't. Okay, I don't have my signal on, but shh, I'm like right by my place, but shh, yeah, that's my top speed though. But let's go get this tail light tint in or on. No, I'm messing up. I need to eat something. Yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna get started. I'm probably gonna do this one first. I wiped it down. So let's go and see if I can prop y'all up while I do it.
Priceless got that heat.
right, y'all. So I switched to my phone because my GoPro started overheating. But what you guys think? I don't think it looks bad. I actually don't look that half bad. I mean, you can see the outline. Of course, this is my first time actually wrapping a tail light like this, so it ain't gonna be perfect, but I think it's decent. I say it was probably like 7 out of 8 out of 10 to install since it was pre-cut. I don't think it's bad. I mean, I'm not good at edges because I don't vinyl wrap or anything like that, but I think it's decent. I do have these to do, the rear side markers. Where is it at? The front side markers, but it's getting dark, so I'm gonna do it later. But yeah, I guess I'll hit you back up when I get that done. Or if I don't, then alright guys, so here's what it looks like. I mean, I do want to go darker. I feel like it ain't dark enough. I mean, it does give it that look that I've been wanting, but nah, it could have been darker. And I kind of just said forget it as far as these go, man. I tried to put them on and I was like, nah, I just didn't like the way they look, man. So what I'm gonna do is just leave them like this for now, and then when I order the side markers, I'll just go ahead and install those. They look better than just tinted out, and the ones I'm getting are gonna be blacked out. So it's a good look, y'all. So here's how it looks after I blacked it out. So if y'all wanted to go ahead and do it, whether it was the all blacked out look or if you wanted something a little bit more simple like this, I kind of like it like this. I don't know why. It's just I feel like the red looks good with it. But yeah, so if you guys like the content, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Yes, sir. See y'all in the next video. Peace out, bro.